Brittle stars can be identified by several distinguishing features, including 1. Long, slender arms. Brittle stars have long, thin arms that are distinct from their central disk. These arms are usually highly flexible and can be used for locomotion, feeding, and defense. 2. 5-part radial symmetry. Like all echinoderms, brittle stars have a 5-part radial symmetry. This means that their bodies are arranged around a central axis in a circular pattern, with 5 equal parts. 3. Small, tube-like feet. Brittle stars have small, tube-like feet that are used for movement and feeding. These feet are located on the underside of their arms and are covered in tiny, hair-like structures called cilia. 4. Lack of suckers. Unlike sea stars, brittle stars do not have suckers on their feet. Instead, their feet are used primarily for crawling and gripping surfaces. 5. Brittle arms. Brittle stars get their name from their tendency to break off their arms as a defense mechanism. These arms can then regenerate over time, allowing the brittle star to regrow lost limbs.